Hey folks, welcome back to Bergman Autocraft. Just want to go over some of the finer points of our 9-inch assembly. Starting from the beginning, the center section is a Gear FX part with 370 gear and a True Track. We're going to be running this with the Coyote XS 5.2, which should be a pretty neat screamer. The housing is also Gear FX with bracketry tagged on for the Quadrolink. First, we put just a standard paper gasket and our sticky number 4 sealer on both sides, and then we put actually a internal seal because this is a floater, so the axle inside actually isn't connected to the hub like a standard deal. The seals go inside the tube on both sides. That's a seals it part. We slid the axles in, and then we've of course have torqued everything. We put yellow marks on everything that we've touched just to make sure that we know what's what. We also put our famous number 4 sticky sealer on the drain that's on the bottom of the housing. That stuff we like real good. It's not hardening, so it seems to last a good long time. Of course, we have Bear 6S for brakes here, and we had the brake surface zinced. I don't know why they don't come this way, but we had them zinced, and then it's a monoblock caliper. And then once we deburred the axles and lubed them and slipped them in, we have this little DSE hubcap. Under the hubcap it has a neat little O-ring, should keep everything dry for years to come. And that's pretty much it. Right now we're getting the control arms and the shock set in the car. As you can see in the sway bar we've got up there, we've got to torque that. And then this little contraption that I've kind of made out of a couple of dollies will be slid under the car, and we'll get everything hooked up, and then we'll get it brought up with the car. We have the tires are all mounted. I have not balanced them yet, but I really like these Continental street tires. I like the sidewall design. It's kind of like a smooth gumball, and they fit the 10-inch fronts and the 12-inch rears real nice. A dark bronze wheel, and it's going to go real nice with the dark green paint. So that's it for now. Oh, one other thing, we are breaking down the alumiframe today, so we can Cerakote the frame itself, give it something that's more of like a charcoal or a black, so it kind of blends in, underneath the car. So next time we'll show you that as we blow it apart, and of course we'll pick up with the Quadrolink kind of hooked up with the new axle. Stay tuned.